Hey, what's going on? Charles here from AllCoastLawncare&Pressure Washing. We got the trailer set up, y'all, for a pressure washing job today. We're gonna be doing this house right here. All right, the front. Well, first we're gonna trim the bushes because we got to get behind the bushes to get a lot of algae right there. All right, this side doesn't look that bad. We gotta look for that water spigot. I'm on the ladder just in case I can get that down up there. That little nest up there. This side's real dirty. Alright, so I'm gonna set my tripod up. I'm just gonna go and just shoot like little parts of the video. Just shoot like little clips. I'm wetting the windows first. Injector inside the 5-gallon bucket of SH. Now we're going to downstream it onto the house. We're going to M5 twist and a David Shooter tip. Once I see soap, that means it's ready to downstream. So I see the soap. All right, y'all. Hey, so we're in back. We already did the front and everything. I never even filmed that much of the front, like the garage side. But look, we're back in the back, and you see how it's already all cleaned up. Okay, let's check it out. All right, so now what we're gonna do. I'm gonna drop the downstream injector hose into a fresh bucket of water. But this is the side that was the dirtiest right here. So we're gonna rinse it now. Okay, make sure you rinse off the windows real good. Yeah, check it out, y'all. All right, all that green came off already, so we're gonna rinse it off real good. There you go. Now we're gonna rinse off the hose, the downstream injector with the 5 gallons of water. They have like a lot of wind, and all that SH is getting in my face, and some of it got into my eyes. But that's why you need this, because it stings, y'all. It stings your eyes. Now look at this, y'all. Hey, wear and tear to the pants, all right? Uniforms, okay? Don't lowbar yourself, all right? Maintain your equipment, your truck, and your uniform. Here you go. We're gonna rinse. David Shortstep has been a lifesaver because of all this wind. That's a more straight stream. It'll help get up there before the wind trying to blow it off. This is a 4 gallon per minute pressure washer. Make sure you get the windows real good.
Style is the answer to everything. Fresh way to approach a dull or dangerous thing. To do a dangerous thing with style is what I call art.
I totally forgot to do a conclusion for this video. Okay, so this was a simple soft wash. I hope you liked the video. I use a 4 gallon per minute pressure washer. Okay, if you notice, I just had like a handgun. All right. At the end, I had to use my other gun with the lance, like the 3-foot lance. It's about 3 feet. You know what I mean? Because I couldn't like reach a very, very tip of one spot. You know what I'm saying? But other than that, y'all, 4 gallon per minute pressure washer. It's good to start off with, okay? So if you're wondering like what kind of pressure washer should I buy, get a 4 gallon per minute, all right? Can you do it with the 2.5, 2.3 gallon per minute? Yes, you can, all right? You may need a ladder to reach up like at tall reaches, all right, like a 2-story house. 2-story house with a 4 gallon per minute, no problem, all right? But I was downstreaming 12.5% SH. Best tips I could give you is what do you call it? With the windows, with the bushes. The bushes, it was an extra $50 because I had to trim them. You know what I mean? To get like the back of the siding close to the bushes because the bushes were touching the siding. And I said, sir, well, I had to wet the bushes though, sir, but I recommend me trimming them. That way I could get less of my chemical on their bushes. So that's what I did. I was $50 just to trim those bushes. Took like about 10 to 15 minutes, y'all, to trim. All right, a real quick upsell. Okay. So wet the windows first, wet the bushes, lay down the SH, and then rinse it off. Okay, you know what I mean. By the time you're done doing the SH around the house, put that downstream injector tube inside a bucket of fresh water, 5 gallons of fresh water. Okay, so while you're rinsing off the roof, you're downstreaming fresh water. While you're rinsing off the roof, you're cleaning out that hose and that downstream injector. Okay, if you don't clean it out with fresh water, it's gonna get corroded. All right, and that downstream injector, man, it's gonna like that little ball. That downstream injector is gonna get stuck because of the bleach. All right, and your pressure hose are just gonna like break and rot, man, because all that bleach is just, hey, man, bleach kills, and bleach will damage metal. Okay, it will damage copper. All right, so make sure you're putting always downstreaming fresh gallon of fresh water when you're rinsing. Okay, after you lay down the SH on the house. Other than that, y'all, hope you like this video. Please like and subscribe. If you have questions, it is a how-to channel. I'm not a professional. I'm making this video for you. Okay, this is my experiences, how I started off with. All right. If you have questions, if you want to call me, text me. 910-939-9020. I'm happy to answer any questions. I'm not here to charge you for advice or tips. All right. Or the secrets of the pros. I'm not no pro, y'all, okay? I'm just a regular dude like you trying to learn. All right. But hey, I learned from YouTube. I learned from watching other people on pressure wash. So hey, please like and subscribe. Please leave a comment. Hey, call me or text me if you want to. Like, you know what I mean? Like, hey, how do I do things? What chemicals do I use? What tips do I use on a pressure gun? You know what I mean? What kind of hose do I use? You know, what fails have I had? I'll be happy to answer you, all right? Other than that, y'all, hey, thanks for watching. God bless. Hey, see you on the next video. Bye.